Hey folks, it's Conrad Bitangcol with RE/MAX Professionals, and this is another episode of the Real Estate Experience. And today I'm coming at you from the North Edmonton neighborhood of Albany, and I've got a pretty spectacular townhouse unit for sale, so you're going to want to stick around for this. So let's get this party started. This is a corner unit. It's a 2-story with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. It's fully loaded inside. Not only is this a corner unit, you are right next to visitor parking, so people visiting you won't have to park that far away. We're located very close to the city of St. Albert. Also along 137th, there's a whole lot of shopping that you can access, and there's also easy access to the Anthony Henday. And as you see, I don't have a jacket on, so let's get inside and let me show you around. So this is the main floor of this unit, and it is absolutely gorgeous. One thing, this unit is fully upgraded, meaning that when the current homeowners got this place built, they didn't leave anything on the table. They upgraded everything. Also, there's a pretty cool feature that I'd like to mention. This main floor has a pretty cool glass feature wall that separates the stairs from the main living area. And I think it just makes this place really modern. Also going to get your own deck. It's southeast facing, so tons of sunlight. This is the perfect spot to enjoy morning coffee. Oh yeah. And on the main floor is this 2-piece bathroom. And upstairs, you're gonna find 3 spacious bedrooms, a 4-piece main bath. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet and a really nice 3-piece ensuite. If you'd like more information on this property, feel free to click on the link in the description. And of course, if you've been watching this on Facebook, please feel free to comment, like, and share. And maybe you are looking to sell your home this year sometime. If you'd like to see your home featured in one of these videos, feel free to hit me up, email me, call me, Facebook me, Twitter me. I'm always available, and I'm always happy to chat. Again, my name is Conrad Bitangcol with RE/MAX Professionals. Till next time.